nigga that you creepin' with. Niggas that I used to fuck with niggas I'm beefing with.
Really good to your boy said back and back again with another video. They would be doing a POV. They would come out with a skit. We come out with a skit. And I ain't got my goddamn. It's AI video, but I ain't got my tripod. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I don't know, I can't get it there. I can't really get it there. I can't really get it there. I can't really get it there. Oh my gosh. Where are the kids at? We trying to. It's the summertime, you know. That boy going crazy. Yeah, he looking. He like. That nigga looking like, what the fucky? He looking like, what the fucky? So what he gonna do? Ooh, that nigga go crazy. That nigga going crazy, chat. Big ass budget truck. Big ass bucket. Big ass bucket. That big ass. Yo, we gotta charge. Which way should we go, chat? Let's fuck it. Let's go this way. That nigga throwing that bit. He throwing that motherfucker. They're gonna be straight like. They're gonna be straight raw. You feel me? Holding that bit. He holding that bit. Bit denied my shift. I'm like, what the fuck going on? They be solidified. We're gonna go straight. We're gonna go straight. Oh, that's scat motherfucker, baby. I'm gonna pick y'all back up when we get in another neighborhood.
Trying to hit a nigga fade. 392 let rain.
Oh my god. Shit. Chat, that motherfucker nasty, dude. Shit. Like, chat. Oh, this shit's amazing. We talking about geeked up Camaro geek shit. You feel me? We talking about geek shit. You feel me? Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Chat, this motherfucker nasty. Behind that scared thing. I hear that scat. That motherfucker shot him. Swinging that bit.
That I used to fuck with niggas I'm beef with. I don't trust nothing, even the bitch I'm shooting with. If I can't find you, I might hit up your people.